Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about deep learning. Introduction to deep learning. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning, which itself is a branch of artificial intelligence. It focuses on algorithms inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, called artificial neural networks. In deep learning, data is passed through multiple layers of interconnected nodes, allowing the model to learn patterns and representations automatically. The term deep refers to the use of many layers in the network. The more layers, the more complex. The future it can learn. Jeffrey Hinton is the founder of deep learning. He is a renowned computer scientist and a cognitive psychologist known for his work on artificial neural networks and deep learning. He is often referred as a godfather of deep learning due to his significant contributions to the field. What is deep learning? Deep learning is a type of artificial intelligence that teaches computer to learn from data in a way that mimics the human brain. It uses neural networks with many layers. That's why it is called deep. In simple terms, deep learning helps computer automatically learn patterns and make decisions without needing to be performed for every task. Some examples of deep learning applications: face and voice recognition, self driving cars, translating languages. It is very powerful for solving complex problems like understanding image, sound, or natural language. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning are related concepts, but they represent different level of technological development. Artificial intelligence is the study of devices that perceive their environment and define a course of action that will maximize its chance of achieving a given goal. Artificial intelligence is the study of devices that perceive their environment and define a course of action that will maximize its chance of achieving a given goal. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence in which machine learn how to complete a certain task without being explicitly programmed to do so. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning in which the tasks are broken down and distributed onto machine learning algorithms that are organized in consecutive layers. Each layer builds up on the output from the previous layer together. The layer constitute an artificial neural network that mimics the distributed approach to problem solving carried out by neurons in a human brain. How deep learning works. Neural network consists of layers of interconnected nodes or neurons that collaborate to process input data. In a fully connected deep neural network, data flows through multiple layers where each neuron performs nonlinear transformations, allowing the model to learn integrate representation of the data. In a deep neural network, the input layer receives data which passes through hidden layer that transform the data using nonlinear functions. The final output layer generates the model's perception. Here is the diagram of how deep learning works. There are 20 deep learning applications. Here goes: self driving cars, entertainment, visual recognition, virtual assistants, fraud detection, natural language processing, news aggregation and fraud news detection, detecting developmental delay in children, colorization of black and white images, adding sounds to silent movies, healthcare, personalizations, automatic machine translation, automatic handwriting generation, automatic game playing, language translations, pixel restoration, photo descriptions, deep dreaming. Benefits of deep learning over machine learning. This slide covers the benefits of deep learning over machine learning. The purpose of this slide is to provide a brief overview of the advantages of deep learning over traditional machine learning algorithms. It includes processing unstructured data, pattern discovery, unsupervised learning, and validate data processing. Types of deep learning models. There are several types in deep learning. Now we are going to discuss only three types. CNN, Convolutional Neural Network. In deep learning, CNN stands for Convolutional Neural Network. It is a specialized type of deep neural network primarily designed for processing and analyzing visual data such as image and video. RNN, a recurrent neural network, is a type of artificial neural network specifically designed to process sequential data, unlike traditional feed forward networks that treat inputs independently. LSTM or long short term memory is a type of recurrent neural network RNN designed to address the limitations of standard RNNs in handling long term independencies in sequential data. And finally, thank you for watching this video.